Hey guys, this is how to back up, migrate, and move emails from Workspace to Gmail. So first thing that you will do is simply go to your Gmail over here. And after that, just simply go ahead and click on this gear icon over here or the settings. And from here, go to see all settings. And after that, you'll be able to see here accounts and import. So from here, guys, just click on this import mail and contacts. And after that, from here, just simply provide the account that you are using on a Google Workspace. So just provide the email. And after that, just click on continue. So guys, from here, just follow the instructions in the pop-up window. And after that, once you are done, you can just click on import. And from there, you should be able to transfer your Google Workspace to Gmail. And there you go, guys. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply comment down below and we will provide the best solution for you.